Hey friends, welcome to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we're going to be talking about some of the savings challenges we're going to be doing in 2022. So let's save. Hey friends, welcome back. Today, we're going to be talking about some of the savings challenges that I want to try in 2022. So again, I am shouting out another great budgeter, another YouTuber. Her name is Jasimine from Oh My Fro Budgets, and she has her shop. I'll link the website down below called Baddies and Budgets, and I wanted to use some of her challenges to stuff some of my sinking funds. So as you see, the first one I'm going to do is the self-care challenge, and what I'm going to use this one for is hair. So with this challenge, you will end up with $500 right here, and $500 is more than enough money for me and my girl's hair, but if I continue to keep this stuff, why not? So let's see how much money I actually have in my hair sinking fund, and then let's go back and color in the corresponding numbers for what we have. Okay, so with our hair, which was renamed to Beauty, we have a total of, let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 10, 20. All right, so we have $120. So let's color in what we have. Okay, so I am not a colorer, you guys, as you see, and I don't think that my markers are gonna stand up or hold up for the rest of these. I'm gonna have to switch to color pencils. So what I did was, because I only have $120, I colored in only a little bit of the blow dryer. So when I can put in another $20, I will finish coloring in the blow dryer. So this part is going to represent my 20, and then this part is going to represent another 20. But so far we have $120 for our self-care slash hair slash beauty challenge. Let's go on to the next one. Our next challenge, we're going to use the $10 challenge for our debt snowball. Like I told you guys, I wanted to set limits for my envelope. So my debt snowball envelope, I'm going to do 500. And luckily, Baddies and Budgets, she has her $10 challenge, which equals out to exactly 500. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to label this my debt snowball challenge. And again, this is for $500. Let's put a sign right here. Alrighty, I'm gonna color again. Wish me luck, because I have to go up before we color. See, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's see how much I have in here. If you saw my January beginning balance sinking funds, then you should already know what we have in here. We haven't stuffed it for the month of January yet. So let's go. We have 5, 50, 1, 50, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 93, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, $80, $380. And as you see, all of these lips are 10s. So it might take me a while, but let's get it done. All right, so for our debt snowball for the $10 challenge, we have a total of $380 that we're starting out with. So we're actually almost done this challenge, and I think it would have been a lot better if I would have started this challenge from beginning and I wouldn't have to color all of these lips in. But it is what it is, and we're going to use this to keep it moving. So we're going to get these $500, we're going to pay it towards the debt, and we're going to start all over. Let's move on to the next one. All right, friends, here's another one from Baddies and Budgets. I'm going to use her emergency fund challenge to stuff my emergency fund. So let's see what we have so far in our emergency fund. So let's see what we're going to be coloring. I know it's not as much as the coloring we did for the $10 challenge, but here we go. So we have 50, 60, 80, 120. Alrighty. So let's see what we have. I can color in this 30 right here. And just to make sure that we are shading in what we're supposed to, we have 30 plus 40 plus 50, 120. All right. So that one was too easy. Like I said, I'll go back and I'll shade these in and make it look pretty for our next savings challenge video. So these will be shaded in better. All right, let's move on to our next one. All right, so sometime in December, you guys saw me stuffing this 100 envelope challenge. Yes, I erased what I had and I made a copy of what I had, and I'm going to color it on this sheet so that we can get a better feel of what I have. So let me color in what we've already done and we'll come back after that. All right, so these are the ones that I have so far stuffed. Yes, I started this December 6th, and hopefully we can shade in a lot more coming up. I plan to do this challenge twice within a year and a half. We're using this money to go to Hawaii, and I can't wait for that. So this is going to give us $5,000, I can't talk, my goodness, $5,050 challenge. So if we're going to be doing this twice, that's double that. All right, let's move on to, it's not really a saving challenge, but just the extra savings. All right, I put the extra savings back in my savings binder, and we're going to go all the way back here. And again, this is from also Oh My Fro Budgets, her baddies tracker. She uses these for student loans, but I'm going to use this for one of my credit cards. No, I'm sorry, not one of my credit cards. I'm going to use this for one of my loans. That's why I crossed out student and it just has loans. So I'm still going to be paying the loans minimum balance each month, but also setting aside this amount of money. So although my monthly balance is going to go down, by the time I can fill in all these money bags, I will have more than enough money to pay off that loan, and anything extra will go over to our next loan. And also I will be doing another video about all of the debt that we're trying to get out of. This is going to be my debt confession, and see where we end up at the end of the year. So with this challenge, I have already stuffed about, let's see what it says, $432. Move you guys in just a little bit so you can see that. $432, in which I do put into this envelope right here. So I stuffed this on the 1st, and this is where our balance is, $1,261. Our starting balance was 1,693. All right, guys, thanks for rocking with me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of video, please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what type of saving challenges you are working on this year. It doesn't have to be this elaborate. It could be just saving your pennies. So yeah, comment below what type of saving challenges you're working on. And I again thank you. Like I always tell you guys, something is better than nothing. Keep it going, keep it moving, keep it growing. And until next time, I love you guys. Bye.